A little introduction to replacing the oil filter housing gasket. First step is to place the cooling package and front bumper in the service position. This moves that whole assembly forward approximately 4 inches. BMW calls out special tooling, which I do not own. So to substitute, I have 2 bungee cords, passenger and driver side. Then on the bottom of the front bumper cooling package assembly, there's a M8 by at least 100 millimeter long bolt, which allows it to slide forward and also provides support. Once in service position, this gives you another 4 inches of space between the turbo, catalytic converter, which has been removed, and the cooling package. So you can remove all the heat shield and all the components without destroying your knuckles. In order to get into that service position, you need to remove the front grille, both headlight housings, the lower protective cover that shields the serpentine belt. Then in the wheel wells, remove some fasteners, partially remove the wheel arch trim. You've got 2 airfoils on the bottom side. You have brake ducts. Passenger side, I was able to remove it completely by pulling it forward. The driver's side, though, the rear portion interferes with the windshield washer pump housing. Therefore, I'll only remove the front half of it. Once you're in service position, then you can remove the engine cosmetic cover, both oxygen sensors, the upper heat shield, next the heat shield that covers the catalytic converter. After removing several brackets and retainers, you're able to remove the catalytic converter. Then you can finally see the oil filter housing, the oil to coolant heat exchanger, auxiliary water pump, the final heat shield. And lastly, there's a bracket in the middle of that heat shield that then supports the turbo, which is right here. And that would be a oil return line coming out of the turbo that goes into the oil filter housing. Thanks.